What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you do not know me, I'm Michelle Senour. I own this 5,000 square foot salon behind me. I'm also an educator and I do have a podcast, a couple programs that I teach for stylists, which if you're interested in any of that, link below. Let's get to what we're talking about today. Today is a salon tour. I'm excited to take you guys on another one. I have some past ones if you want to see where we started. It's really come up from there. So let's get going. This is Elle Co Styling Salon, my salon in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Behind us here we have our front desk, which is where you check in. We're a full rental salon, so if you're curious about that model, we're gonna take you on a little tour here. Then I'm gonna bring you guys into our boutique space. This has been something that was just really fun. We decided we loved fashion here at the salon and we wanted something extra for our guests. So we have our boutique available, which actually leads me into our rental phases. So I transitioned my salon from commission to rental, and the second phase is renting out this space here. So we just launched that this is available. I'm excited to collaborate with another business, but for now, here I am. We have my boutique. Back here, we also have part of our second phase is our suite. So this is a 200 square foot suite. It is beautiful. It has doors with lots of natural light, which when I was in my suite was something that I would have absolutely killed for. So we're excited to be expanding and adding in some other businesses inside of this suite as well. Over here, obviously being a stylist myself, salon stations were super important to me. So I wanted to have spacious stations that looked clean and looked bright. So we have our first bank of stations over here. They are so spread apart so that you can move your arms as far as you possibly need to. That was one big thing at my old salon. Someone was always blow drying your hair, they were blow drying your foils, you were hitting arms back and forth, so lots of space here. Keeping it more of a boutique space, but in a larger salon. So I'll tell you a little bit about some of the features in case you guys are curious where I got them from. So our mirror here is from West Elm. It's actually a floor mirror and we just mounted it on the wall. Our sconces are from CB2. Absolutely love that. They have amazing lighting, super clean, super classy. And then our stations were custom made. So these were made just by a local woodmaker guy. I was like, hey, here's what I'm envisioning. He made it happen. And I actually originally found these guys on Amazon and just put some more luxury handles on them. They're no longer available on Amazon. So I had the same guy who made my station tops. He actually, when we expanded, he made them custom. So you can have them made if you like the idea, just screenshot it, show it to somebody, they'll make it for you. And then these are from Minerva, our chairs, which is a very well-known salon brand, nothing too wild. But I like that they're spacious and really comfortable. I like the rounded feature actually. The square ones, I feel like you just like bump into them and they're not as comfortable to me. So that's where we got these from. So let's head back a little bit further. And we're actually just in the middle of a work day. The morning is just starting, so just a couple of our stylists are here. It's gonna be really busy and cranking by the afternoon. So you guys will see some of them working in the background. In the center here, we do have a processing area for our stylists who do double book. So if you wanna sit here, get cozy, do your work, take a nap, whatever, it's there for you. Let's take them over to the snack bar because I feel like this is kind of like the hangout area for clients. This is one of my favorite pieces of the space. It's large, maybe a little too large, but I love that there's so many different snacks and beverages for all of our clients. Again, they just feel really at home. They just love being able to have their little cheat snack or something a little bit healthy. So we've got salty over here. We've got sweet on the other side, and then our beverages, we've got Sprite, we've got Diet Coke, we've got LaCroix, we've got lemon water, regular water, cold brew, hot coffee, tea, whatever you could possibly want other than alcoholic beverages. However, maybe sometime in the future. So let's take our way back here. So I am the owner, obviously. I'm a stylist behind the chair as well, but I have an assistant, and then that assistant sometimes works commission for a little while before they transition to rental. So that's the color bar I'm gonna be showing you now. So there's typically about 2 to 3 of us working at this color bar, which is right back here. And then I did have to build out an additional area when I went to become a rental salon because they needed their cabinets and their space, so you guys will see that shortly. Shampoo bowls are a fan fave at the salon. They're so comfortable and all of our clients constantly rave about how amazing it feels on their necks. So I highly encourage, if you guys are a salon owner wanting to build out a salon, you gotta get these shampoo bowls. They are the Advent from Minerva. Whatever will be linked below. So if I said it incorrectly, just go to the link, okay? All right, back here is our client restroom. So we did renovate this initially, so that this is pretty ugly when we first got the space. So just nice, super spacious. We also utilize this for our boutique, for trying on clothes, things like that. So we have one restroom over here. We have a utility closet over here. Nothing cool to see in there, just storage. But one of the big things too is we have 4 hot water heaters, which is definitely excessive, but I wanted to make sure our salon never ran out of hot water, because that's the worst. Shampooing cold, terrible. So let's bring us back into the staff area. I also wanted some privacy for our staff because I've eaten in basements and parking lots. You know, we wanted to have just a nice little oasis for our team. So we do have a staff restroom back here, which can be utilized for guests if we need it, but this is just really nice. They take their selfies in this mirror. You go to the bathroom. We have staff parking actually back here, so that's super convenient. You just walk right in, walk right out. Garbage is back there too. A beautiful bike path back there as well. And then this is our break room. So I love that it has natural light back here because you don't feel like you're in a dungeon. And there's also tons of space for everybody. A lot of times we're busy, we're eating a quick little lunch, but this is just a great space to like come, recollect your thoughts, and just like be ready to go back out there and kick butt. We also have laundry back here as well. And then back in this corner over here, we just have, this is like where the staff put their coats, extra supplies, nothing too crazy, but just extra cubbies, extra storage back there. But yeah, I love that I can come and eat lunch in like a beautiful, clean space, something that is so appreciated. Now this area is kind of fun. If you've watched one of my past tours, you'll see, I think that it was an office space. Reality, we didn't really need an office here, but as we expanded to a rental salon, I was able to build this out. So we just basically knocked the wall down, created an archway, and then created the space for the stylist. So who should we pick to open their cabinets? So as far as our storage, we have 2 spaces that the renters can put their things. So we have an upper cabinet, we have a drawer and a lower. Wow, right? This is Salmon, she does a great job. So we have a lot of storage here, but that was also a challenge that I struggled with inside of my suite, was there just wasn't enough space for all of my color. I'm a little bit of a hoarder when it comes to my color, so I like to have all the things. So we actually have this space that you're walking into right now, and we have additional cabinets for our staff. So I'm just gonna keep putting the same stylist on blast, why not, right? So inside of here, we have all of this additional storage space for our stylists as well. So they don't have to worry about panicking, they can't have enough or whatever. Anyway, I like to be organized, so I try to help them stay organized too. So this is our storage room. I also host classes, as you guys have seen. So all of our stuff for my 6-figure stylist event, which is coming up next June, is all back there as well. So it's been such a great opportunity to have such a large space, because at first I thought it was too much. And then I was like, you know what? Whatever. I love change. And obviously, as you've seen, if you've watched these tours consistently, there's been change every single year, if not more than that. And it allows me to host our events inside of this space. So I love it so much. Got my cute little girls over here working. Yeah, guys, and that is the full tour of the 5,000 square foot space. I hope that if you are an aspiring salon owner, that this inspired you, gave you some ideas. If you work in a space and you're looking to just be in a better space, I hope that this gave you something exciting to look forward to, and that there's other salons out there like this one. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for coming on this tour with me today. There's gonna be another one next year, I'm sure, with plenty of additions. And if you wanna look back at kind of where we've come from, those will be linked below as well. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at beauty_by_Michelle Senour.